welcome to Reflective Minds. This is your host Monica. I hope you all are doing great. Sorry for the delay. Today we are going to continue keys to power. Let's start with it. Your most precious, valued possessions and your greatest power are invisible and intangible. No one can take them. You and you alone can give them. You will receive abundance. W. Salman Stone, author and businessman. The keys to the power are most powerful ways to harness the force of love and receive the life you are meant to live. They are so simple and easy, and child can follow them. Each key will unlock the immense power within you. The key of love. This is the first key which we are going to discuss. The key of love. To use love as an ultimate power in your life, never loved before. Fall in love with life. However much you have loved in your life, double that feeling, multiply that feeling by 10 times, multiply it by 100 times, 1,000 times, million times, because that is the level of love you are capable of feeling. That is, there is no limit, no ceiling to the amount of love you can feel, and it is all inside you. Reflective Mind. This is your host Monica. I hope you all are doing great. Sorry for the delay. There is no limit, no ceiling to the amount of love you can feel, and it is all of love. It is very substance and nature of your life and the universe, and you can love far more than you have ever loved before. Imagine. When you fall in love with life, every limitation disappears. Limitations on money, habits of the joy in your relationship. When you fall in love, and whatsoever you love appears in your life almost instantly. Your presence will be felt when you walk into a room. Opportunities will pour into your life and the negativity. You will feel better than you thought it was possible to feel. You will be filled with unlimited energy, excitement, and unquenchable zest for life. You will feel as light as a feather, like you are floating on the air, and everything you love will just seem to fall at your feet. You will become unlimited and invincible. If you want to be that, just do that. Love yourself, love your life, fall in love with yourself. After all this time, the sun never says to earth, "You owe me." Look what happens with a love like that. It lights the whole sky. Hafiz, a Sufi poet. So, how do you fall in love with life? Everybody would be asking this question. So, the same way you fall in love with another person, you adore everything about them. You fall in love with another person by seeing only love, hearing only love, speaking only love, and by feeling love with all your heart. And that is exactly how you use the ultimate power of love to fall in love with life. Isn't it amazing how easy it is? Wherever you are in your day, look for the things you love. You can look for the you love. Look for the buildings you love, cars and roads you love, cafes and restaurants you love, stores you love. Walk down a street or finding as many things as you can that you love. Look for the things you love about other people. Look for everything you love in nature, birds, trees, flowers, perfumes, and the colors of nature. See what you love.